Hey, do you remember those days of removing excess oil from your face with alcohol-based toners? I mean, if you have oily skin or acne-prone skin, I'm sure you do remember, right? Like, you know what I'm talking about? But wait, does anyone even still use toner anymore? Well, the short answer is yes, they do. But that's not to say that toners didn't fall off the radar for a good long while. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about these beauty products. What are toners, if they are actually a necessary step, which skin type do they suit best, and why are they making a huge comeback? Hi, I'm Lorraine Martins from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so facial toners are like hairspray. I don't mean they are the same, of course, right? Like they're totally different. One is for skin and one is for your hair, and don't ever confuse the two. But just like hairspray, you know, over the years, toners have been like put on the back burner, so to speak, and it's only now they're starting to get back on trend. What you may not know is that toners were being sold back, you know, by traveling salesmen in the 16th or in even 16th and 17th century. But back then, toners were made of rhubarb, spices, and wine. Of course, they have completely evolved over the centuries, but the fact is that toners were being used long before the traditional, you know, 3-step skincare routine that was popularized in the 60s. Listen, back in those days, it was just the oily-skinned and acne-prone teenager who would usually have a bottle of toner in their bathroom cabinet.
1, 2, here comes the 5, 6. Disaster flow like the draw falls out 6. Come through, take down flag sticks. Is that the glow like 1, 2?
Thanks to the widespread popularity of the 10-step or multiple-step Korean skincare routine, they are coming back. But why? You know, like why did toners become unpopular in the first place? Well, historically, you know, toners were used to balance your skin's pH after cleansing with a product more alkaline in nature and often containing alcohol that was acting as an antibacterial agent. These toners were originally developed at the beginning of the 1900s to get rid of the sticky, soapy residue that will be left after cleansing with a lye-based soaps combined with hard water. The soap scum, lovely. But thankfully, cleansers have changed dramatically since and then and are now formulated to contain much less alcohol or even be alcohol-free. As well, they are like far more pH balanced and gentle on your skin. That has led to facial toners having to step up their game, and that's where they are making a comeback. Now, despite the formulas having evolved massively, the reasons we continue to use toners haven't changed. I mean, we all want that fresh, soft, clear, and unblemished skin with the cooling effect that a toner provides. But before we go any further, let's talk first about the benefits of using a toner today. Essentially, these toners do, they will refresh your skin in a gentle way without stripping away, you know, your natural oils. They're going to moisturize your skin without drying your skin. So the toner will really balance your skin and will prevent your skin from feeling too dry or too tight. These days, different toners provide different benefits for different skin types and are typically water-based, which will restore hydration to your skin after the cleansing process. A lot of these toners have additional hydrating ingredients that will give you a longer lasting results, right? By effectively binding the water to your skin. You probably know that toners will minimize pores, remove the remnants of makeup, and will get, they will rid your skin of impurities like dirt, excess oil, and of course, they help you balance and prep your skin for your moisturizers and serums. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm saying this, toners are certainly not to be used as replacement for washing your face, right? Is this clear? I mean, like using a toner is considered somewhat of an in-between step of your, skincare routine. After washing and cleansing your face, but before applying your serum and or moisturizer. Is this clear? With the toners of today, I mean, they go far beyond just the basics of skincare, and you can find formulas, created especially for a whole host of skin issues. Not only that they are, designed for only oily skin, but, you have toners for acne-prone, dry, and sensitive skin, okay? And they can even, some of them can even help you reduce the signs of aging. There is a toner for everybody and every single skin issue. So then the question is, who should be using toners? And I mean, are they really, really necessary? Well, no, the answer is no. Even though toners are suitable and can be beneficial for all skin types, using them is a matter of preference and they are not necessary for everyone. Especially if you have like a clear, non-oily, normal type of skin, you don't need them. But if you have oily skin or a certain, specific skin issue to address, like a, dry skin or acne, or if you feel that you are losing, that youthful glow, then you could benefit from using a toner. I'll tell you what toner to look for in a moment. Now, toners can also be very helpful if you are looking to add a new anti-aging active ingredient into your skincare routine, like an alpha hydroxy acid. This AHA may irritate your skin, so using a low AHA toner that contains, it can also be, it can contain a variety of fruit acids. It will give you the opportunity to first test, right, and see how your skin can tolerate these acids. So these are a good move because toners, they are gentle on your skin. So you can start testing acids on your skin with toners. And speaking of acids, there are so many on the market, right? Like you have alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy, and everything in between. It can be a real minefield. So go to my website, beautybycode.com, and take the quiz. You will find out which type of acid is best suited for your unique skin type. Now, just like with skin acids, when it comes to choosing the right toner, you need to choose something that is suited for your skin type. You know this. So first off, check the ingredients and avoid any products that contain drying ingredients like alcohol or nasty chemicals like parabens or artificial fragrances. You don't need them. You want to look for the cleanest, most natural plant-based ingredients on the label. For example, you can find products that contain witch hazel to balance oils, although witch hazel is an astringent, so it can cause irritation. You can go for green tea because, it has a lot of antioxidant properties. Rose water is going to hydrate and tighten your skin. And of course, vitamin E for hydration. Then we have soothing chamomile and tea tree oil that will eliminate oil and get rid of bacteria. We have also aloe vera to calm irritation and reduce redness. Both aloe and rose hip will promote healing as well. And you can also find toners that contain plant stem cells, which are, they have a ton of antioxidant and anti-aging properties. Of course, if you suffer from eczema, make sure to avoid toners with artificial fragrances, salicylic acid, retinol at all costs. it can be too harsh on your skin. If you just have dry skin, then avoid, witch hazel and ethyl alcohol, because both they can strip your skin from, natural oils. And what else? Rose water, vitamin E, good ingredients for you. You can also go for honey-based ingredients like royal jelly and propolis. I don't know how you say it in English. They are antibacterial and they promote healing, and they do not leave a sticky residue. Now, if you have oily skin or acne-prone skin, you do have to look for a toner that has salicylic acid, because it's going to exfoliate your skin. It's going to help you unclog your pores. And, as long as your skin doesn't dry too much, and you are not compromising your skin or your skin barrier, you can use them with caution, but those are good options for you. Okay, now a great choice that covers pretty much all bases is CeraVe's non-comedogenic, allergy-tested, hydrating facial toner. It was developed by dermatologists. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. It will restore moisture. It will soothe your skin. It has ceramides, 1, 3, 6, 11. It will protect your skin barrier. It's not greasy. It's alcohol-free. It's, of course, non-astringent. So you will not end up with irritation on your skin. I personally absolutely love Caudalie. They have a Vino Clean moisturizing toner with rose water. Delicious. There is also CeraC pore reducing toner with niacinamide, ceramides, vitamin C, and aloe vera. And this one is by Face Theory. So you can give them a try. What else? Yeah, finally, if you're looking for an anti-aging formula, a toner, look for a toner that contains antioxidants like green tea and some soft exfoliating ingredients. That will be a good choice for you. The antioxidants will help you protect your skin from free radicals, and the exfoliants will help you, get rid of dead skin cells. And, you are going to have you're going to give you like a brightened, softer texture to your skin. Oh my God. I cannot speak today. I hope you get that. What else? Yeah, you will want to use your toner in your evening skincare routine. That's what I prefer, especially if you're using one with acids or other anti-aging properties. You will apply it with a cotton pad to a freshly washed, skin. You will want to wait for, 30 seconds. And then you will continue with your nighttime routine. Of course, you can use a toner in the morning. There is no problem. Just, if you are using for, with acids or with a lot of anti-aging properties, I think nighttime, it's a better option. Now, let me tell you this. Bear in mind that most dermatologists aren't going to recommend toners at all, especially as they can overcomplicate your skincare routine. And, sometimes simplifying is best, okay? Honestly, all we need is cleanse, use a retinoid at night, moisturize, and sunscreen. And that's it. Job done. So, if you feel that adding a toner to your routine, it's making things more complicated, don't do it. But hey, at the end of the day, toners have their place in a good skincare routine, and it's up to you whether you want to try them out for yourself or not. Listen, thank you for spending your time with me today. I truly, truly appreciate you. Have a gorgeous, beautiful day, and I talk to you soon. Bye for now.